2 rules, Darren. Oldest gets first bat, and fresh prawns at Christmas. He takes his stuff way too seriously.
Don't have any prawns.
You're a giant prawn band?
Yeah.
God damn it, Chris! Walk in with the bowler! Bend your knees!
You can tell everything you need to know about a bloke by the way he peels his prawn.
Leave him alone, Dad, okay? Darren just doesn't like eating the poop shoot.
Some people say it's bacterial. I have a weak immune system, so.
A poop shoot? Not gonna kill you.
Hey Dick, we need you to stay back tonight.
Oh, sir, actually
Now,
tonight...
I would normally do it myself, but, you know, I've got this prior engagement and... Oh, I can't really cancel that.
I'm a boyfriend.
Ex.
Like a bullet firing from your gun into a dream where I was alone.
I managed to track the location of the laptop.
Okay, we can't actually track a GPS's location.
On the veil of the night and the frame of the dawn.
So does Harry still have a crush on that girl, Susie?
No, he likes Lily now. They text each other all the time. Bye, Mum.
Hey, hang on, before you go, I just want to let you know you might have to start going to Aunt Liz's after school from now on.
I like it at Nan's.
Look, I just think she's getting a little old.
Okay, so my name's Talya, and last year I was a victim of bullying.
My name's Amy. I've been a documentary filmmaker for the last 6 years. As long as I can remember, I've been in love with other people's stories. In April of 2018, one story changed my life. A young girl who went from being the victim to taking control of her life.
Life is too short. You all need to be better.